Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to personalize and configure lock style in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, go to settings and scroll down and go to wallpaper and personalization. Then you have a lock style here option. And as you see from now, you can customize your lock style by classic wallpaper, rhombus, magazine, and that is for the wallpaper, and you can customize for your filter, depth. If you have some wallpaper with the depth, then choose the wallpaper which you wish. So in this case we're gonna choose something like that. Let's take an apply. Turn on always display as well, no thanks. And let's take a see. Voila. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!